The train tickets are confirmed.
I've packed enough food for the journey.
I want the window seat.
The coffee is ready.
Pour it quickly. We need to leave.
Is the food packed?
Take care. Have a good journey.
Thank you, we will.
Bye, uncle.
The train is arriving!
Look, look, it is so big.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, thank you.
Where are you traveling to?
We are going all the way to Delhi.
Chai chai! Hot chai!
And then the conductor said we couldn't bring the goat aboard.
He really said that. Pass the chutney, please. The idli is yummy. We're on the right track now, traveling together.
And the sun shines bright forever.